The little stars. Twinkling in the dark sky have existed as things that are hard to comprehend since the time humans first emerged on Earth. The beginnings of cosmic thought started by contemplating and observing our Earth. The Earth was believed to be a large flat plate, and it was imagined that the land on Earth was supported from beneath by giant turtles, illustrating their perception of how the Earth was structured. However, evidence gradually emerged, revealing that assumptions and speculations differed from the actual reality of nature. As an example, the experience of observing a ship approaching the shore from the sea through a lens provided clear evidence that the Earth is spherical. Imagine viewing a ship approaching the harbor from a distant point at sea through a distant viewing lens. You would first see the top of the mast, and only after some time would you see the hull of the ship. The mast of the ship is located at the highest point, which is why it is the first thing to be seen. If the Earth were flat, the entire ship would be visible all at once.
The Greek philosopher Aristotle thought even more deeply and discovered that the Earth is round. He explained that we can know the Earth is round by observing the Earth's shadow on the Moon during a lunar eclipse. Another example is that when a person moves northward, the angle at which they see the North Star, Polaris, gradually increases, and when they move southward, the angle decreases. This observation shows that the Earth is round. If the Earth were flat, the angle at which the North Star is seen would not change significantly based on a person's location. Despite this, the idea of the Earth being round was debated in intellectual circles until the 16th century. Ptolemy, the last great thinker of the Greeks, depicted the geocentric model of the universe over 1,400 years ago. During that time, stars were considered merely as points of light, and they were regarded only as the backdrop of the universe they had constructed. In Ptolemy's model of the universe, the Earth is not the center of the universe, and the planets revolve around the Earth in circular orbits at a constant speed. However, when using these principles and mathematical methods to calculate the positions of the planets, errors occurred. It was presented, as accurately as possible, that these errors were due to the fact that the Earth itself is rotating on its own axis. Copernicus was the one who departed from the traditional Earth-centered model and presented the heliocentric model of the universe, with the Sun as the center. However, Copernicus could not explain why the Earth, along with other planets, revolved around the Sun. It was only later, with Newton's laws of motion, that the explanation became clear. According to these laws, objects in space revolve around each other, with lighter objects moving more in response to heavier ones, thus explaining why the Earth orbits the Sun.